Hey guys, welcome back to another chemistry video, and now we'll be doing stoichiometry. So this is a very generic question, and as you can see, 5 grams of calcium carbonate reacts with 50 centimeter cubed of 2 molar H2SO4. What volume of gas is produced in this equation? So again, I'll leave you, pause the video now and try and work this out for yourself and see where you're struggling, and then I'll come back to you and solve it for you. For any carbonate plus an acid, which is what we have, you will produce a salt consisting of the metal and the polyatomic ion here. And you'll also produce water and carbon dioxide. This for any general equation of a carbonate, a metal carbonate, and an acid. This could have been magnesium, sodium, potassium. This could have been hydrochloric acid. This could have been nitric acid. It doesn't matter. You'll always produce a salt, water, and carbon dioxide. So now this is the solution to this problem. And it might look really confusing and complex, but let me walk you through it. So the first thing you need to work out is what gas is produced. So let's write out the equation. Calcium carbonate plus sulfuric acid gives you calcium sulfate, water, and carbon dioxide. So the only gas you have is carbon dioxide. Now, next thing you need to work out is which reactant is in excess. So let's work out the moles of calcium carbonate. So you do molar mass of calcium carbonate, which is 100.09, and that gives you 0.049 moles of calcium carbonate through the equation by dividing by its molar mass by its molar mass. Then for acid, you do this equation, which is concentration is moles over volume, and this is a concentration which is 2 molar, and this is your volume. And now when you work it out, you want your volume to be in decimeter cubed. So you divide this by 1,000. And that way, when you divide this by 1,000, which is 0.05, 0.05, and you multiply that by 2, you'll get 0.1 moles of H2SO4. Now by comparing the moles of calcium carbonate, which is 0.049 moles, and comparing the moles of H2SO4, which is 0.1 moles, we can clearly see that the sulfuric acid is in excess as it has more moles, and the moles of calcium carbonate would run out first. So this is the value that we'll use. And now for 1 mole of calcium carbonate, we see that produces 1 mole of carbon dioxide. So therefore, for 0.049 moles of calcium carbonate, you will also produce 0.049 moles of carbon dioxide. And now using this amount of moles, which is produced of carbon dioxide, you multiply this by 22.7. This is the value. Value to calculate the volume that every gas takes up at STP, as shown. And remember, IB uses 100 kilopascals for the standard pressure, so therefore you have to do 22.7, not 22.4. So once you do this calculation, you'll get 1.123 decimeter cubed, and that's the volume of CO2 produced in this situation, as written. And now, guys, make sure to comment down below any questions you have about stoichiometry in any situation, as there are a few things which I have not explained here, such as the gas laws or molecular and empirical formula. So if there's anything you struggle with, please make sure to comment it down below, subscribe and like the video, and I'll be sure to help you out. Thank you guys. See you next time.